Today I'll show you how to make a caipirinha cocktail at home or in your bar. Hi guys, my name is Isis from Miami to the world. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you 3 amazing variations how you can make very famous Brazilian cocktail caipirinha. All of them will be very easy. You can make at home or definitely you can make at your bar because it's very refreshing, very summer cocktail. Caipirinha cocktail falls under sour category and technically it's a sour, just made a little bit different. There are a couple of myths, couple of stories of this amazing cocktail. One of them tells that it might be invented in Portugal somewhere around 1920, somewhere around that time, that it evolved from a drink that was prescribed for people who was having or was suspected to have a Spanish flu. So like many drinks, alcohol was evolving in case of emergency, so I guess it really helps for people's health if it's not too much. And another story tells that it might be invented in Brazil by a local farmer just to make a local drink for their high upper class events. I don't know which is true, it might be true both, because this drink is very easy and as I said it falls under sour category, so technically there are basic ingredients that we will be using. It's only 3 ingredients for a classic, amazing caipirinha. It's lime, sugar and good cachaca. So it's nothing much to invent, it's nothing difficult. You just put sour, you just put sweet and spirit. Voila, you have an amazing drink. And today I'll show you 3 amazing variations how you can enjoy this cocktail. First version of our caipirinha is very classic and we are going to make it in a double raw glass to fit everything, to fit enough ice because it's summer, it's hot, ice is melting fast. If you put not enough, it melts just like that. And first ingredient, it's of course fresh lime. And we are going to use 1 whole small to medium sized lime fruit. Straight into the glass. Another our ingredient is white sugarcane sugar and I'm going to use 3 bar spoons of this sugar. Now we need to muddle all the ingredients together. Just be careful while muddling because if you press really hard at first, not all but some of the juice will get out making a mess or even can hit into your eye. It happened to me in life a couple of times. So do it tough but gently at the same time, slowly maybe. Or you can cover it with your hand or you can cover it with a napkin if you are in the bar. Okay, lime is muddled. And by muddling lime, we are getting not just the juice, but we are getting also essential oils from the skin and some extra flavor of the lime skin as well. And that's a very nice hint in the cocktail. I will stir it a bit just to dissolve more sugar. And another our ingredient is going to be good cachaca. I'm using white cachaca, not aged. We could try with different ones, but I'm making very classic way and I'm showing you how to do it. I'm using 2 ounces and give it a bit of a stir as well. Now we're going to put ice straight into the glass and I'm going to make this ice a bit crushed. If you have crushed ice, it's cool. If you don't, you need to make it yourself. Oh yeah, you can use ice cubes, but I would like to use crushed ice for this cocktail. So I'm just taking a shaker, putting ice into my shaker, and I will be muddling ice as well. Actually, I need something tough. It's not a very easy job, but when you want to make a good cocktail, you have to put work into it. And of course, love, passion, energy goes into this cocktail, no doubt. That I made a nice smaller, not all pieces, but I'm happy with the result. Giving it a stir to dilute some ice and to chill the cocktail, and topping it up with more ice. Here we go. Also, a small garnish. I'll just use a lime wedge. One side, I think, is enough. Here we go. You also can put some cocktail cherry or some other thing if you have, but I'll put just a lime wedge. It looks nice, looks sexy, looks easy, looks very refreshing, and also it's more comfortable to drink this cocktail with a straw because the ice is crushed. But if you like to use no straw, that's fine, but I like to use straw. So I always advise to use environmentally friendly straw. One of those straws are pasteurized. My friends make some. They are amazing, look nice. They are like a garnish itself already. Look, looks amazing. Cheers guys. Classic Caipirinha. Second variation of our Caipirinha today is going to be a fresh strawberry Caipirinha. Caipirinha is a cocktail that you can make with any fresh fruit and it tastes amazing. You can experiment and do different strawberries, raspberries, passion fruit, pineapple, mango, or some other fruit. It's just in your imagination that can limit the variations that you can have. So today I'll show you strawberry Caipirinha and I'll give you an idea and you can make the same with other fruit. Just keep in mind, if you are using more sour fruit, so you don't need to put so much lime. And if you are using a sweet fruit that has a lot of sweetness in it, so you don't need to use such a lot of sugar. Because in the classic version, we use 1 small to medium lime and 3 bar spoons of sugar. So keep in mind, if fruit or something is sweeter, you put less sugar, and if fruit is more sour, you put less of lime. And that's all the trick. It's very easy. As strawberry doesn't have too much sweetness and doesn't have too much sourness, at least these ones that I got today, so I will be doing more or less everything the same. And this time I'll be serving in like this wine legless glass, and this time I'll be shaking everything because we are introducing strawberry, so I need to shake everything and to mix everything really good. Fresh strawberries. I'm going to use 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. 1 for the garnish. And we are going to use lime. I'm going to use 1 whole small lime, and I'm going to use 2 spoons of sugar this time. And I'll have to muddle all this together. Smells very fresh, very nice, very warm. I love sour drinks. Before coming to America, I love more heavy drinks like old fashioned, Negroni. I still love those cocktails. My Negroni is my third most favorite cocktail now because margarita just get into first place, and you can check how to make the best margarita right here. And Caipirinha, I guess, is going to be my second or even the third most favorite cocktail because here in Miami, when it's hot, sour cocktails are really amazing. Okay, fruits and sugar muddled. Now we need our main player, MVP, our good cachaca. And I'm going to use 2 ounces of this amazing cachaca. This one smells so good and tastes so good, and I did a tasting on a couple of this brand cachacas. You can check it right here. It's not an ad, it's just how happy I am to discover new amazing product. 2 ounces. And last drop. I can't leave this good cachaca, any drop out. Now we need a lot of ice, full shaker of ice, straight into the shaker, and we're going to put some love, passion, and energy as well, and even show more of the energy by showing our bartender dance. I call it the dance. Smells amazing, very fresh. And I'm going to put everything in the same ice because we have fresh fruits inside into the glass. I'm going to top up more ice just to look nicer and to keep cold longer. Even with such a tasty cocktail, you don't need to keep it longer because it doesn't stay long. You just drink it very fast. Nicely done. And one more thing. Moonshake, batch of lime and fresh strawberry. I put fresh strawberry on the rim, lime beside, and also I put a nice environmentally friendly straw right here. 1, 2, done. Here we go, our strawberry caipirinha. Cheers guys, enjoy. And third, the last version of caipirinha today, I'm going to use kombucha. I'm going to use passion fruit and tangerine kombucha. I wanted to use only passion fruit but didn't find in the market, so I thought passion fruit and tangerine will work fine as well. And it's very simple. Technically, the base is the same as the classic version. So we put 1 whole medium or small sized lime, maybe cut into the wedges. Also 3 spoons of white sugarcane sugar, muddle everything, and now our MVP, 2 ounces of good cachaça. Now we need to put some crushed ice like in our first version, and it's really tough to make it with my muscle power, so I will make this time with my brain power. Let's do it. Yes, it worked. It doesn't work all the time, but this time it did. And what is different, this time I'm going to top it up with this passion fruit and tangerine kombucha. On top is going to be around 2 ounces as well, and of course stir it a bit to mix everything together. Like that. This time I'm going to garnish it with dried lime wheel and of course environmentally friendly straw. Here we go. Our third version of caipirinha cocktail is ready. Cheers guys! Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found it informative, I hope you found it entertaining, I hope you found it knowledgeable, and I hope I gave you an inspiration to experiment at home and to make great drinks, not just at home, but if you're working in a bar, maybe you found out something interesting. And in return, I would really like to ask you just a little favor, but it's very big and very important thing for me. For you, just a little thing. You just need to subscribe my channel, like this video, and if you can, share with your friends. That will help me a lot, and I will be more inspired to create more amazing videos and share all my knowledge that I gathered through 12 years of my hospitality industry. Thank you very much once more, and I love you very much, and I'll see you in next video. Yes, it worked! It doesn't work all the time, but this time it works.